Good morning. I'm Adriana Mitchell. I'm an immigration attorney. I am located in Philadelphia, but I practice immigration law all around the country. So my office is in downtown Philadelphia. Today is Friday, and as every Friday, I will have my live video. This time is in English because I'm going to talk about a new measure that affects immigrants from countries that are not basically Hispanic countries. And I'm going to talk about the travel ban, the new travel ban that came into effect last night, actually this night at midnight. And it will affect people who wants to come to the United States from the following countries: Nigeria, Kyrgyzstan, Myanmar, Sudan, Eritrea and Tanzania. People from Nigeria, Kyrgyzstan, Myanmar, and Eritrea who are affected are people who want to come to the United States with an immigrant visa. That means basically people who want to stay in the United States permanently. Okay? So somebody who applies for a green card at the embassy will have this problem, is subject to this travel ban. For the people from Sudan and Tanzania, this new measure will affect both people who want to come with a green card, including through the diversity visa lottery. So people who are eligible for the diversity visa lottery were not going to be able to come to the United States anymore if they don't have the visa already. So, just to be more specific, who is affected by this? This affects, like I said, only people who want to come with a green card. It does not affect people who have a student visa. It does not affect people who have like a tourist visa. It doesn't affect people who have like a scholar visa, like a J1, for example. So only if you want to come with a green card. So if you're married with a U.S. citizen and you apply for your green card, for your immigrant visa, and you didn't get it yet, you will have a problem now because you're subject to this travel ban. So this is pretty much what is all about. Of course, there are more specific things that must be discussed, but this is the essence of this new travel ban. So the other thing that I think it's important to say is that if you already have your visa and your passport, that if you got it before the midnight, you're fine. You can come to the United States and you're not going to be affected. Another thing that is important is people who applied for a fiancé visa. The fiancé visa is not really, technically, is not an immigrant visa, but is treated as an immigrant visa because the ultimate goal when you get here to the United States will be that you're going to get your green card. You have to get married and apply for your green card. So there will be a problem. This travel ban, this is very important, this travel ban does not affect people who are trying to get the green card in the United States. So if you're here, if you're a Nigerian or you're from Kyrgyzstan or you're from Myanmar or Sudan, and you are already in the United States, you came with a visa, you're eligible to get your green card here, you still can try to get your green card. You're not subject to this travel ban. Another very important thing, even if you're subject to the travel ban, you can still try to come here. You must apply for a waiver. So you're not going to be automatically, until now you didn't need a waiver, but starting now you will need a waiver. And in order to obtain this waiver, you'll have to prove that you basically are not a danger, that you're going to be affected if you cannot come here as an immigrant, and that your admission to the United States is in a public interest. For this waiver, you definitely need to work with an attorney because the attorney will know exactly how to do it. There are a lot of experienced attorneys in this country. We're already familiar with this type of waivers because, this is not the first travel ban. We already have countries that are banned. A lot of you heard about Iran, and a lot of us were successful in getting this. So if you need any help, you just call an immigration attorney. You definitely can call me. My number is on my Facebook page, also on my YouTube channel. You can find it, just call me. I will say it for you right now. It's 877-728-1496, and we can help with that. Also, if you need more information, just contact my office, and I'll try to help you. And this is pretty much it. I don't want to make it very long. Of course, the issues are a little bit more complicated than I can present in a video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a message. I'll definitely answer this. And I will leave you with that. I will just repeat the countries that are subject to this ban, which are Nigeria, Kyrgyzstan, Myanmar, Sudan, Eritrea, and Tanzania. Have a great day, and don't forget, if you need any help with immigration, contact a qualified lawyer, work with a lawyer, and make sure that this way you are going to avoid more big problems down the road. Okay? Have a great day. See you next Friday.